Good morning, student. In this session, we will study the design procedure of sleeve or muff coupling. This is the simplest type of coupling which is used to connect two shafts. Now suppose this is one shaft and this is another shaft, and they are connected by means of and this is sleeve. They are connected by means of sleeve. Here key is inserted for the locking purpose so that the relative motion between the shaft and sleeve is prevented. Now suppose here motor is attached and here device is there. So motor drives this shaft, so power from this shaft to the key, and from key to the sleeve, and from sleeve to again key, and from key to this shaft. So in this way power from this shaft to this shaft is transmitted. So this is the simplest type of coupling. We will see now the 3D model of the sleeve or muff coupling. This is the three-dimensional model of sleeve or muff coupling. Consists of mild steel. This is one shaft, this is another shaft. They are attached by means of sleeve, and here the relative motion between the shaft and sleeve is prevented by the key. Correct? So this is the assembly of sleeve or muff coupling. Now let us see the design procedure. In design, we find out the dimensions of the shaft. D is the diameter of the shaft, and we find out the dimensions of the sleeve, outer diameter of the sleeve, and length of the sleeve, and the dimensions of the key. Now we go through the steps. Now step 1, find out the diameter of the shaft, considering it into pure torsion. So by the formula T is equal to pi by 16 tau d cube. From this we will find out the diameter of the shaft. Step 2, design of sieve. From empirical relations, the outer diameter, this is the outer diameter, this is the outer diameter of the sleeve, is calculated by the empirical relation capital D is equal to 2D plus 13. Here 13 is added for the weakening effect of the keyway in the sleeve. Generally we take twice the diameter of the hole. Outer diameter of the sleeve is generally taken as twice the diameter of hole, but 13 number is added for the weakening effect of the keyway. In this way, the outer diameter we will take D is equal to 2D plus 13, and the length of the key, length of the sleeve, here length of the sleeve is taken as 3.5 into D, where D is the diameter of the shaft. Now checking the dimensions of the sleeve for torsional shear stress, considering it as hollow shaft. This is the formula of hollow shaft. So torque is equal to pi by 16 into tau outer diameter D capital D cube in the bracket 1 minus k raised to 4, where k is the ratio of small d or shaft diameter upon outer diameter of the sleeve. From this we will calculate the tau induced. Tau induced we will calculate, and tau induced must be less than tau permissible. Then design is safe. Then the dimensions of the sleeves are safe. Now step 3, design of key from empirical relations. From empirical relations, W width is taken as D by 4, and thickness of key is taken as D by 6. Length of the key is taken as half the length of the sleeve. And then after finding the dimensions of the key is checked for crushing and shear stress from the formula torque is equal to force, tangential force into radius, that is D by 2, that is equal to L into T by 2 into sigma Ck induced multiplied by D by 2. From this equation we will find the sigma ck induced, crushing stresses induced in the key, and that should be less than sigma crushing permissible. Then key is safe in crushing. Then we will find out the torsional stresses induced. From this formula, torque is equal to force into radius, that is equal to L into dW into tau induced into d by 2. From this we will calculate the tau induced, and the value of tau induced must be less than tau permissible. In that case, the key is safe for torsional stress. In this way we will calculate the different dimensions of the muff coupling. So this is the design procedure of muff coupling. Thank you very much. We will meet in next session.